loves, welcome back to my channel, and we are coming back at you with another hair video. Today we're checking to see if this rice water is doing something to these roots and to these little raggedy, let me not say that, to these ends. I'm also gonna clip my hair after we do the slim check and whatnot. So I know for a fact, because yesterday I washed my hair, so bitch is a girl is excited. Look at this. Do y'all see? Do y'all see this? Like, it wasn't even at the tip of my nose. I measured yesterday and it is 2 inches. It grew 2 whole inches. I'm about to insert the clip of me. Sis, I just wanted to say, this ain't even the day that I'm like recording the video for this video, but I just washed my hair the day before just because. And sis, it was barely touching my fucking nose last time, and now it's at in the middle of my lip. Do y'all see that? It's 2 inches longer in the front. Now in the back, let's see. I remember I was like this. I measured it exactly like this. So it's still there. It's still right here at my collarbone. It ain't longer. It's like trying to go past my collarbone, but not quite there. Let's see what this side looking at. What is this side doing? Ooh, nap. Oh Lord. This one is still on my collarbone too. If I stretch it, it'll go a little bit past it, but yeah, it's still there. So mainly the front grew, because I'm like, what? Diva cut, okay. That also makes me think maybe I need to hurry up and clip my ends in the back and stop tripping. I really do need to clip them. I'm gonna grab a mirror real quick. Okay, I got my mirror. Okay, so today I'm gonna do it different from last time. I actually let this sit in the refrigerator, and y'all need to look at this because it's like something at the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all see that stuff? It's alive, like, ew. Let's see this. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'm scared to open this. Like, I am so like, ugh. I'm worried. But as I put that on, I'm also going to be putting shea butter, organic shea butter, and raw coconut butter on my hair. Because I've also noted, well, my hair doesn't feel like it's getting dry or anything, but it just seems like, you know, I want to make sure I keep the moisture in my hair, because I know some people were saying they have problems with keeping their hair moisturized because, like, whatever reason. All right, so we got our trusty, you know, water. I'm about to open this so I can see how it smells. Okay, you know what? It's still, I think it touched my lip. It's not bad, but I'm gonna still add some drops of rosemary. Cause I do not want I don't want no problems. I really don't. I don't. I was scared cause I saw another girl's video and she was like, honey, don't save that stuff. It stank. I'm just thinking that it'll be even stronger. Oh yeah, I got the rosemary in there. It wasn't bad though. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So let's get in here. It is cold. Ooh, it is cold, child. Shea butter, coconut butter. And I'm about to put my bonnet on. Well, I'm gonna do this last one, but my camera's overheating, so I'm gonna do my last one, put my bonnet on, and sit for 30 minutes. I'll be right back. So I actually left this in my hair for 2 hours. Hopefully it'll give some even better results. I don't know, we'll find out. So this time I'm not gonna be extra. I'm just gonna rinse this out. I'm not gonna re-spray my hair or anything like that. Oh, and yeah, also make sure you massage your scalp just like last time. We're trying to promote hair growth, so massaging your scalp helps with circulation, blood flow, you know, hair growth. Alright, so I got my hair all rinsed out. We're gonna get my DIY moisturizer. Ingredients are in the description below. We're just gonna saturate my hair, detangle it, and we're gonna part it to be flat twisted. So this is much harder to do on camera than it looks. I'm probably gonna retwist my hair and make them a little bit smaller, but for now, this is how it looks. You get the idea of what I'm doing. I'm gonna be right back and flat twist the rest of my hair. All right, so we're back and this is what my hair looks like. It is time to go to bed. Ugh. It's the next day. Your girl definitely laid her edges because we're wearing our hair like this. I hate my nose piercing. I have to fix it all the time. So let's get into taking this loose so you guys can see what it looks like.
Perfect.
Oh, my hair feels so good and moisturized and feels so much healthier. The curl pattern looks way better in this twist out versus last time. It just feels good. Oh, I just love it. But sis, this right here, this gotta go. Hold on. We grabbing these scissors today. It's finally time to trim these ends. I don't know how I let them get so bad. Y'all can see all up in my nose, so I'm just gonna cover that. I'm sorry. I don't know. I know I'm probably not using the proper scissors, but them ends had to go one way or another. And this is how it looks. Probably need to clip a little bit more, but for now, this is fine. Yeah, so this is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed my rice water results. I know I'm so happy that it grew 2 inches longer. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, put that notification bell on so you can see the results for next week, and make sure you leave a like and a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.